What's going on, ladies and gents? Caleb McAllister here. Thank you for joining. I wanted to show you guys, I just finished assembling my daughter's new Junior Twin Loft Bed, which you can see assembled behind me here. Let me flip the camera around so you guys can get a better view. As you can see, it's a couple of feet off of the ground to give the kids room for playing, storing, etc. underneath it. It was honestly very straightforward, very easy to assemble. No major issues whatsoever. And it seems quite sturdy. I will show you guys with the mattress, etc. put inside of it. But I want to give you guys a look at the frame before I got to that part. Stand by. All right, guys, here is the finished product. Complete with unicorn bed sheets and all the space to play underneath, ready for toys, etc. Check it out at the link below, guys. Thank you for being here, and have a great night.